Understanding Autumn Romance, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the beautiful and poetic phrase, autumn romance. This phrase is not just about the words, but the feelings and imagery they evoke. Let's explore what makes this phrase so special in English. Autumn romance is a phrase that combines two powerful words, autumn, the season of falling leaves and cooler weather, and romance, which signifies love, affection, and emotional connection. When put together, autumn romance often refers to a love affair or romantic feeling that occurs during the autumn season. This phrase can also imply a sense of nostalgia, maturity, and a deep, serene type of love, much like the quiet beauty of autumn. You might wonder, why is autumn specifically chosen in this phrase? Autumn is a season that many associate with tranquility, beauty, and change. The leaves change color, the air becomes crisp, and there's a feeling of change in the air. This mirrors how romance can bring change, warmth, and new beauty into our lives. Autumn romance is a popular theme in literature and pop culture. It's often used to describe a bittersweet love story where the romance is as beautiful and transient as the autumn season. This phrase evokes imagery of walking through a park with colorful leaves, cozy moments, and a sense of fleeting, yet deep, connection. When using autumn romance in conversation or writing, it's great for setting a mood or describing a relationship. For example, their autumn romance blossomed into a lifelong love. It's perfect for capturing a moment in time where love feels serene, mature, and intimately connected with the natural world. I hope this video has helped you understand the poetic and emotional depth of the phrase, autumn romance. It's a beautiful example of how language can capture the essence of feelings and seasons. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next English learning adventure.